Yeah. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the 7 finger patterns of Oja. The 7 finger patterns of the Oja. I told you people I will change the sound. I will change the title. I told you people I will change the title. Now see. Before, this video would have been titled The 7 Basic Sounds, or I think that's what I told you people. But no, it is the 7 finger patterns of the Oja, and I will explain why. If you've watched, this is a third of the trinity of videos that I have already done about the basics of Oja, about how to hold the Oja, how to blow air into it, and then this is the third one, the 7 finger patterns, the 7 finger patterns of the Oja. Now, if you've not watched those videos about how to hold and how to blow it, go away from this video. Go and watch them. This is the video of how to blow, how to hold the Oja properly. And then this is the video of how to blow the Oja properly. Then this third one is just supposed to move seamlessly from one video to the other. So go away from the video. Now, I take it that those that are still watching this are those that have watched the videos before, the videos that I have mentioned. Now, these are the 7 finger patterns of. I think I'm going to do some editing in this video, so I don't think you will be seeing what I have. I think my hands are way bigger than this, so I think I'm going to use editing to show you what I am saying. So, but let me just be saying that. Let me see how it goes first. So, the Oja has 3 holes. The Oja has 3 holes. It has a hole here, and then if you turn it, it has another hole here. And then under it, it has another hole. You see it. So these 3 holes are the 3 holes that you make use of that you have to alternate using these patterns that I'm going to teach you. These 7 patterns of playing, of making, I fucked that up. So these 3 holes are the holes that you're going to be working with. This is the one that you blow air into. Maybe I've watched the video of how to blow air into the Oja. Well, so the first finger pattern is this finger pattern. That is the lowest. It is this finger pattern. The pattern where you cover the twin holes of the Oja. That is a hole on the left and the right. This is the first finger pattern. This is the first finger pattern of the Oja. This one produces the lowest note, the lowest note of the Oja. So the second finger pattern is removing one of the twin holes and also leaving the hole on the bottom open. It's releasing one of the twin holes and also leaving the hole on the bottom open. So initially, you cover the 2 twin holes. Then, secondly, you let one open. This is why I said I will use editing in this thing. So secondly, you let one open and you cover one. That produces the second basic lowest sound. That is the second sound in terms of, so that produces the second sound. If you just cover one of the holes, one of the twin holes, you can call it ejima, one of the twin holes, one of the ejima holes. Then the third sound, the third finger pattern is when you cover all of them, when you cover all the holes. Now, for those that refuse to go and watch the video of how to hold the Oja, yes, this is how to hold it. You hold the holes like this. Let me see this work. It's me that's not playing it right. That is the correct way of holding the Oja. Can't watch video, I watch this one. Well, so it is covering all the holes. So when you cover all the holes, that's actually the easiest way to make sound in the Oja. So that is the third finger pattern, covering all the holes. Then the fourth finger pattern is then withhold, that is from covering all the holes, you just let one of the twins fly. You open it, maybe your index finger, your middle finger, you remove it. So what you have is something like this, where you're covering all the holes, and then you've removed one of the twins, one of the ejima. So you have one covered and you have the under covered, That is the fourth one. That is also the fourth in the scale. So the fifth one is then removing the twins. The two holes for the twins, the ejima, you remove it and then withhold the one under. So when you are holding the one under, that is the fifth sound. Right? Yeah, fifth. Oh, I said 7. So that is the fifth sound. Then the sixth sound, the sixth is removing this hole under. That is the sixth. I promise, I don't know why I said 7. I don't know why I said this thing has 7 sounds. I mean, why I said this thing has 7 finger patterns. But like these are just the 7 basic ones. There are other finger patterns where you curve, like this is the hole, and instead of you to cover it fully, you curve it in a way so that it makes sound. The same thing with other holes, like in this one, you can decide to curve the hole a bit when you are making sound. Those ones are higher techniques that I'll teach in future videos, or if you are watching this video many months after it has been released, those ones are already out. See, why am I even pointing up? I've not even done any videos. But basically it is 6. First one, cover the twins, cover the ejima, let the bottom okpulu, let the okpulu be open, let the bottom hole be open. Second one, remove one of the twins, one of the ejima, wopia, one of the twins, remove it. Third one, cover the 3 of them. Third one, cover the 3 of them. Fourth one, remove one of the twins. Remove one of the twins while covering the bottom too, the okpulu. Cover the okpulu, remove one of the ejima. Then the fifth one, remove 2 of the ejima and keep covering the okpulu, the one under. Then the sixth one, remove all of them. That is the one that is going to give you the highest pitch. Remove all of them. So I have set this in progression of the lowest to the highest. Now, mind you, these are the basic ones. There are many other ways to produce sound. There are many other ways to produce different, even exotic sounds on the Oja. There are many sounds you can make. You can make 2 sounds at once in the Oja. That is overtone singing. You can do that at overtone playing. You can play 1 bass note and then 1 on top of it. That is especially when your Oja is wet. When you've put your Oja, when you've soaked your Oja into water and you've brought it out, or when you've poured water into it, you can easily make overtones from bass notes. You have the fundamental and then you have the partials on top. So you can easily make those sounds with the Oja. But for this video, it is 6 finger patterns in the Oja, the 6 basic finger patterns, the 6 basic finger patterns of the Oja. So this is the end of the trinity of these videos. Subsequently, I'm going to be making videos of the techniques of Oja, but I don't remember all these things I'm saying. I don't script these things, but let me check. Okay, how to get chromatic notes in the Oja, the 7 basic sounds of the Oja, the dynamic nature of the Oja's scale. Oja has its own scale. The dynamic nature of the Oja scale and the rest. Now, some of the videos I've already made me debunking what is it called? The facts that are things that are not facts about the Oja, things that are well known but are not true about the Oja. I've done that, so you can watch that video here. You can follow here. Well, that video is very, very, very passionate one. I was very passionate in the video. So this is the end of the trinity. If you have any question about the trinity of videos that I've made, how to hold the Oja, how to blow air into the Oja, and then the 7 basic sounds, ask it in the comment section. If you have other questions about the Oja, ask them in the comment section. If not, just follow any of the videos that I'm going to link down here and go and watch. If you like this video, like it. I don't know why I've not liked it yet. If you don't like it, don't like it. If you feel like sharing the video, share the video. If you feel like subscribing. Just watching to this end is good enough for me. So let's keep proclaiming the good news of Oja to the world. This is Oja, not flute. Person that plays it is Ugwu Oja, not Ojaist or flutist or flute crone or whatever. So that is the end of this video. Go away. Go away. Go away. Huh? We are still here. Let's be playing music. Abuni bara bankolo bankolo bampa abuni mero koko miri koko abuni guru egwaja jan 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 kwanyere onwe gị ugwu zuo ike n'ịkago enyere nsị n'ọfịa ịkago ichiri aki ịkago nka ichiri nge na-echu ibukwuru ya imere brọda gbara m Christmas ịkago nka ịkago nka ịkago Go away, I'm tired of making this video. Go